Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove video background from any video. Removing the background from video, it seems like an impossible mission, but if I told you that you don't need to have editing skills to remove the backgrounds from the video, would you believe me? That's why I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to remove the background from a video without any experience. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. For this video we will use CapCut video editing app, because for me CapCut is the best and fastest app for this process, so go to open app on your device. Next, add a video you want. I will add video of this person who is sitting on the steps, and download this video from pixels.com. That site offers you 100% free videos. So when you do that, you need to select video you add. You will do that by tapping on video on the layer. That will open a sidebar on the bottom of the screen, and next you need to do is to scroll to right to find cutout option, and when you find, click on it. This option offers you 3 different options. For this case we will use first one option. That option works for videos with normal background, no green screen background, and when you click on first option you need to wait a couple of seconds to CapCut automatically finish this job, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Goodbye.